What is up, guys? Welcome to country number 15 of Slovakia. I am super excited to be here. I'm here in the capital of Bratislava. Let me show you my place here. So here's we walk in. Got some storage space here. There's a kitchen here. Then you have kind of the main room here. And then a nice view from that window as well. And then in here is the bathroom. A really big bathroom. And this place was 105 euros. They use the euro here in Slovakia. And it was 105 euros for 2 nights, which is about 107 US dollars. So not a bad deal at all, especially for as big a place as this, and it's in a good location. It's only about a 3-minute drive from the bus station, which is how I got here by bus today. I came in from Krakow. And it's only like a 10-minute walk from the old town. So really good location. And yeah, I'm really excited to be here. So I have the rest of the day today. It's around 4:40 p.m., 16:40. So I have the rest of the day today and then all day tomorrow to explore around. So let's get to it. It's around 5 p.m., 1700. And I have some things I know I'm going to do tomorrow. But I probably won't do too much today since it's already dark out. But I am just going to walk around and see what I can see. Alright guys, I got some stuff at Tesco. I got some strawberry kiwi drinks, orange juice, some yogurt, I'm not sure what this is, and then a candy bar. It was €8.16 total. Alright guys, I am probably going to end the video here, but I will see you guys from another video here in Slovakia. I will definitely go to the old town tomorrow, and I'll have that video up shortly.